Even though Walt Disney World is open to all who wish to come, there is a private area set aside for a special purpose. Over 7,500 acres of land and water have been designated as a conservation area for the creatures native to this region. Still as primitive as it was 500 years ago, this environment will remain untouched and undisturbed by man. Disney World, there is another wilderness set aside for the use of guests who enjoy the out of doors, the Fort Wilderness Campgrounds. There are accommodations for 800 campers, trailers or tents, each site equipped with all the modern facilities, yet in a natural setting of piney woods and stands of cypress. Here, every member of the family can find activities to his or her own taste.